What up? Big Herc 916. Muscle up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share the channel. I want to give you guys an update on what's going on with the wig splitter Porsche. I was so excited to get the car home, but there were a lot of little things that weren't addressed prior to getting the car home, so I had to take it to my guys out here in Arizona, have them go over the car, tighten it up, and man, it's coming together. So I want to give you guys an update on what's going on with it. Make sure you go to bigherc916.com, pick you up a Muscleup Car Lifestyle hoodie or t-shirt or hat, and represent. So on the wig splitter Porsche, they're doing the brakes right now. They did the rear already, and these are actually GT brake calipers. They're not your standard 928 or 928S. They're actually the GT calipers, which I didn't know, so that's kind of cool. And they actually fixed the headlights, so they pop up now. They weren't popping up before, so that's a plus. I can drive at night. And they installed a cooler in front of the radiator for the trans, because the trans fluid was getting hot and overflowing, causing a drip on the exhaust, which was causing the car to smoke. So they're working their way through the car. There's a lot of little things when you're doing a custom build, especially when you're kind of coming behind somebody else's work. And I never really got a chance to look at the car on the lift before, so they point out a lot of little things that are going to make a big difference. They're also going to be wrapping the headers and exhaust. So wrapping the headers and exhaust is going to allow the car to be cooler inside, and also when you're running the lines from the front to the back for the trans, and also for the trans cooler, and also for the fuel, you don't have to worry about that heat, because that exhaust can get hot, and the way the exhaust is underneath the car, it's pretty close to the lines. So that's smart. I don't know why the other people who worked on the car didn't notice that and take care of that before. And we still got to do, he's going to check on what's the battery draw, because there is a draw coming from somewhere. I don't know if it's the old sound system, maybe the fan that's currently cooling the trans, maybe, because it went out. I don't know if that was causing a drain, so we got to figure that out. And then I believe my left blinker, we got to go over that. But man, I've waited so many years to get this car home, and so I'll just be patient, and it will be done soon. But yeah, man, it's a work in progress, and you don't see 350s too often in Porsche 928s unless you have came across a Renegade. They also installed the new AC, so I will have AC in the car, vintage air, which is cool, and it will be ready for the Arizona sun. After I get all the mechanical issues worked out, the car still has to be wet sanded and buffed, because it wasn't done properly. And I can see once I got the car home, there were some areas that needed to be cleaned up, so that will be addressed. And outside of that, I think that's pretty much everything that's need addressing. I think there's, on the passenger side seat, it's got to be tightened up underneath or something like that. And that's pretty much it, man. I mean, I'm excited to get the car back. I enjoy sharing all the stuff I'm doing with the car with you guys. Oh man, I can't wait to sit in this interior and go for a nice drive and enjoy the car. But in the meantime, it will be getting its makeover, and I will keep you guys posted. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, muscle up, go pick you up a hoodie or t-shirt or a hat at Big Herc 916, and look for the next video. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Big Herc 916, and I'm with the Wash Your Ass Committee, and I'm traveling across America helping people wash their ass and get their booty holes clean. And I have with me here today Wash Your Ass soap, and this one in particular is Butt Naked Scrub, but I also have Festival, Oatmeal Milk and Honey, Jamaican Me Crazy, Monkey Farts, and all these scents smell very good. They will help cleanse your body of funk and also make you feel better about yourself. So if you can go to BigHerc916.com, you can pick you up a bar, and my goal is to help America combat funk.